Hello animal lovers, I'm Catherine with Canadian Cav Pups, and today I wanted to give you a update on the litter. So we're going to talk about weeks 5 through 8. Now I know that's a long span and we have been working really hard with the pups, and you can hear one of them on the ground. They have discovered the mirror here in my studio and they are having fun exploring that. Now with this, we are doing more of the handling exercises that we have done in prior weeks, but in this instance, we are doing a little bit more pressure and we're adding a few more things to that. We're also introducing certain noises as well as objects. Anything from a hockey helmet through to a lawnmower. We hang out in the early morning outside on garbage day so they can hear those big garbage trucks going on in the backyard. That way it's not something that's scary when they come to your house if they happen to be going outside and going potty and they hear a big garbage truck go by. So we're really trying to socialize them to all of the everyday objects that they might experience, certain loud noises like the hood fan on your oven or a very loud blender. Are you one of those people that absolutely loves to have a smoothie in the morning? Well, we want to make sure that your puppies are socialized to that, and you can hear them playing here, so I apologize for some of the noise here. They are having a lot of fun with that mirror. Is that you? Is that you? And we have been working really hard introducing a lot of new things. They have had introductions to a bath, but they have yet to be washed with shampoo or conditioner. They don't necessarily need that, but we have been giving them a bath so that they get used to what it feels like to have that water running over their fur. And another thing that we also introduced to them is a grooming mat. And so when I say grooming mat, I basically mean one of our towels. And we use a white towel, and what we do is we like to brush them before we do bath time. We play with their gums so that they have a bit of tactile stimulation, which is also part of that exposure exercises that we are doing. And we brush them, we clip their nails. We don't clip their nails every day, but we do touch their paws and play with their nails so that they get used to that sensation as well. And we are also working on potty training. So they are in their puppy stall and they do go in their kennels at nighttime. And when they go in their kennels, they spend pretty much the whole night in there. They do wake up at about 11:30 to go potty, but then from that point on, they are really good and tend to sleep through the night. That being said, when you bring your new pup home, any sort of stress can cause a little bit of regression there, and accidents do happen. If you would love to see a video on my tips and tricks on how to potty train a new puppy, I would love to share those with you. Do let me know in the comments down below. And I just wanted to share a bit of footage of these super sweet pups before they head home.